Douglas Cooling and Heating, serving the Birmingham area for 38 years. 988-3706. That's Douglas.
I'm James Spann. This is the afternoon edition of the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Friday, September 23rd, getting set to cruise into the first official weekend of fall. And let's take a look at things. First off, the Skycam images this afternoon. That's the Hamilton Skycam in Marion County. Low clouds there, and boy, it's nice and cool. They're only in the 60s as the cool front has come on by. Feels awfully nice. There's the Skycam at Research Park in Huntsville up in the Tennessee Valley. Again, the sky there is overcast. And we'll go down south. There's the Skycam on the campus of Troy University. Up there in the end zone on a partly sunny, warm Friday afternoon down in South Alabama's Pike County. Big upper low near Milwaukee. And the trailing trough will be rotating through here, pushing a cold front in. In fact, the cold front is basically roughly along Interstate 59 early this afternoon. And that'll come on through this evening, pushing the showers out of here. You can pretty much pick out that front with that band of showers that's running around Lincoln in Talladega County, up toward Bynum and Ohatchee. But basically, the front is pretty inactive. That's about it. And again, those showers should be out of the this part of the state within the next couple of hours. No trouble for high school football games tonight. The sky should be mostly fair. The weather will be dry. And yeah, look at those numbers coming down. 64 at Haleyville at 1 o'clock this afternoon. Warm spot, Montgomery at 80. They're, of course, on the other side of that front. Mostly 70s around here. Birmingham and Anniston, 75. And around the nation, ooh, man, it feels good up north. Look at all those 50s over Minnesota and Wisconsin. But in contrast, there's 80s up into Montana. And that is representative of a high amplitude pattern that is in place across North America. Convective outlook for the rest of this afternoon and tonight. Standard convection possible along in advance of the front. Severe weather not expected. Rain for the next 5 days, valid through Wednesday morning at 7 o'clock. This is suggesting not a whole lot here, about a quarter to a half inch. The better rains north and west of here with that next front coming in here early next week. Tropical weather. All right, the Circle guys have finally got that thing circled, our wave in the Atlantic, a very well-organized wave. And Ophelia fighting for her life. Top winds are at 40 miles an hour, minimal tropical storm. There's the track. Hurricane Center weakens this to a depression and then strengthens a little bit by the middle of next week as it begins to make that northward turn. This is not expected to affect the United States mainland at all. And there's the wave in the East Atlantic. Goodness, nice banding features, excellent outflow, very symmetrical. So that could be the next tropical storm. And we'll see. Again, it's right on the fence. If it were a little lower latitude than that, you'd think this might be one that has a chance of being a Gulf system down the line. But again, it could go either way. It might be a recurving storm. So many of them have been this year, but we'll watch that. Whatever. It's clearly a long way out there. We'll check the 12Z GFS, valid tomorrow evening at 7 o'clock local time. Big upper low near Chicago. Down below that, we are in a dry slot. Should be a very nice day for whatever you want to do outside. College football, anything else. We'll start the day in the 50s. Both the GFS and the NAM are printing 54. High should be around 80. Dew points only in the 40s. Very low humidity, a very comfortable day. Sunday, here comes that second front with that next lobe around the upper low with rain at Memphis. And some of those might move in here Sunday night if they hold together. Also some moisture in southeast Alabama. But again, for this part of the state, more than likely, Sunday will be a dry day, partly sunny, low to mid-80s. Monday, that front eases in here, so Monday we'll mention a chance of scattered showers and storms. Again, low to mid-80s, and the front just kind of stalls out on Tuesday. This is suggesting the better chance of showers will be from roughly Interstate 20 south, and again, they will be scattered. Wednesday, the front drifts to the south. The northern part of the state in dry air looks pretty dry. With those thickness schemes there, we're talking mid-80s. Thursday, pretty much the same deal of next week. And a week from today, the upper feature up north is finally opening up into a wave and lifting out. And down below that, again, our weather looks relatively dry. And off on the right, that is Ophelia, which should be a tropical storm curving north, one that will not affect the United States. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. My next video will be Monday morning at 7. Brian Peters will have the updates tomorrow and Sunday. And if you live around here, catch us on ABC 3340 this evening at 4, 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a great weekend, and God bless.
Thank you for trusting us to be your #1 source for news
in all of Central Alabama.
in back-to-back ratings periods.
More people watched ABC 3340
than any other station in Birmingham.